Yeah, welcome back to another video. I think I'm gonna start another vlog and probably name this series like a home series, because I am switching out their bedrooms. And we done got started a little bit, but I'm trying to let them do the first part of it, and I can already tell this one right here is making a damn mess.
This is all of my stuff. That's all of my stuff right there. You have to watch out. All my stuff.
Okay, so this the stuff that came out. You need to go through that stuff. Like whatever you're not using, they need to go in the. Okay, well you need to go through it. That's what I'm saying.
I tried to.
Why are you keeping all these boxes?
Because it's my devices. Don't even show one.
This is her room. Looking a mess.
You said empty the closet. Look at the closet.
Oh my god. Okay. So yeah, that's cleaned out. So camping. All that stuff that you have on the. Where all this stuff come from? What is this? All of this stuff need to go in it. Like everything that's trash can. That's what I'm telling you, because you got to try to keep it neat while.
You said not to get a trash bag.
Keep it neat while swapping out, because you're not gonna use up all my trash bags.
But where am I supposed to put the trash?
You can carry some of this stuff up out of here and go take it to the trash. You want to bring the trash to the back door. That way you could just take it down and put it in the trash. Good. That's what I'm. Yeah, get it all cleaned out so that way your stuff that's on the hangers. That's why I said put your stuff on the hanger. The stuff that's on the hangers, you can go ahead and put it straight in the closet in there, and she can do the same thing. I don't know why I agreed to this, but anyway, I gotta do something because we got his bed here and his mattress already, so. Irritated. So that looks like probably what I'll be doing for the majority of the day tomorrow, and I'm gonna just do it like kind of sort of like piece by piece up until Christmas. So it should be done for Christmas, but yeah, so that's my Christmas gift to them, letting them upgrade their rooms. And they also switching rooms. So Cameron's gonna take the smaller room. The only reason why he had the bigger room is because he had 2 twin beds in there. So we're taking those beds out. I ordered him a bigger bed and a mattress. So I'll keep y'all posted. I'm gonna let y'all see the whole process from start to finish. Y'all already see what these rooms looking like right now. I'm pretty much just switching one room to the other room, and then like upgrading as we go. But yeah. Let's take a look at the progress that they have made. Yeah, bro. Okay.
Let's look at his room in the closet.
Just getting it cleaned out. See, all this stuff we can just slide over in there. Let's see what his room. Oh Lord. Baby, what? That can go in the trash. Yeah. What are you using it for? Exactly. Okay, Kendall, you got her stuff in here. Okay.
I just gotta unbag this stuff.
See, this is what I'm talking about. Teamwork. Come on.
But you said.
Why is that up here? What?
I was eating that.
Why are you eating it up here? That's the problem now. All this trash. Look at that. Didn't we just sweep this floor yesterday?
I told him I'll sleep room. He just gotta get the trash and stuff up.
Yeah. Them your shoe boxes.
Okay, you wanna see all my stuff is in the
Your stuff in the closet already.
That's your trash.
Well, you need to clean it.
Look.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about. That's it.
Why can't I put the stuff that's not hangable in the bag?
No, because it's not going to be sitting in bags in your room. No. That hanger's good. Put them hangers back in the closet. Good morning, y'all. I'm up this morning and I'm about to attempt to swap out the rooms. As you can see, I got everything for the most part cleaned out. I'm just pushing everything from this room into the other room, and then Cam's room. Just take everything out of here. I gotta break this bed down too.
You got me overthinking here, where we could be. Needed some clarity. I'm in too deep now. Can't help but picture fantasies. Just you and me, like it's meant to be. Can't you see, baby? You got me overthinking. When you come closer to my body, a delicate touch of instinct, moving slow but my heart's racing.
They did their closets last night. They swapped their closets out, and now I'm just gonna go in and move furniture from one room to the other room, if that makes sense. But yeah, so first I need to get that furniture out of Cam's room and sweep the floor, break his bed down, mop the floor, and then move Kendall's stuff in there. So we'll do that. So I got the railing off finally. What I'm gonna do is take these headboards downstairs. If I can get it. Let's see. Yeah.
yeah. Ain't nowhere we could be if two or three don't agree. If you and me don't evolve, yeah. You and me don't evolve, yeah. Ain't no plans out of sight. Ain't no talk back or fight. If you and me ain't involved, yeah. You and me ain't involved, yeah, yeah. How you gon' say that? Girl, I don't play that. I ain't gon' lay back. What you want, come my life? Yeah, you know, girl, we go way back, yeah. How you gon' say that I'm the one that fall when we both involved? Cause ain't nowhere we could be. Two or three don't agree. If you and me don't evolve, yeah. You and me don't evolve, yeah. Ain't no plans out of sight. Ain't no talk back or fight. If you and me ain't involved, yeah. You and me ain't involved, yeah, yeah. Steady switching plays, yeah. Steady switch. I've been in the dirt, yeah, dipping the hurt. Digging through baggage, feeling like merch. All of this drama ain't even worth. Hey, girl, you know I love you. How you gon' say that? Girl, I don't play that. I ain't gon' lay back. What you want, come my life? Yeah, you know, girl, we go way back, yeah. How you gon' say that I'm the one that fall when we both involved? Cause ain't nowhere we could be. Two or three don't agree. If you and me don't evolve, yeah. You and me don't evolve, yeah. Ain't no plans out of sight. Ain't no talk back or fight. If you and me ain't involved, yeah. You and me ain't involved. Cause ain't nowhere we could be. Two or three don't agree. If you and me don't evolve, yeah. You and me don't evolve, yeah. Ain't no plans out of sight. Ain't no talk back or fight. If you and me ain't involved, yeah. You and me ain't involved, yeah, yeah. Agree. Involved, yeah. Side.
Alright, y'all. So I've been trying to record. I've been recording on both cameras, so I probably use the footage from. The footage gonna be bouncing from one camera to the other one, because this is hard. But we are making progress. So all this needs to be put up or put out. The bed is coming along. Babe, how you doing? You doing a good job. Alright, and then this is what her room is looking like. I'm gonna have to paint these walls over. No, but this is good.
So that should also be so eat and read.
Gotta get another curtain rod. Where did I get them curtains from? They probably ain't gonna have the same ones. I think Ross or TJ Maxx.
You get rid of the curtains?
No, boy, you need another set over here. I wonder what this would look like on her walls, because I got this Oops paint from Home Depot. I might test this out. You see that gray? I don't want it to look smaller than what it is in the room. So maybe we'll just use white. I don't know, y'all. I'm confused. I got paint up here too. But this is the paint that they left. They left here when we moved in.